Welcome. This is Food with Life.
I am your host Chapati, and the answer is the respiratory system. The respiratory system brings together the mind, body, and the spirit. And to help us and tell us a bit about the respiratory system and the importance of breathing and the lungs and the entire influence on the whole body are our wonderful doctors, Dr. Dube Prajapati and our wonderful Dr. Dube, who have come here all the way from Mumbai, India, to share some of their timeless wisdom with us. Please tell us about Ayurveda and the importance it has on the respiratory system.
Respiratory is called prana or a life force. So if your breathing is normal, if your lungs are good, if your respiration is good, then you are inhaling proper prana or oxygen in the blood, and then your each and every cells are properly nourished and rejuvenated. If your prana is not taken properly, then you have different kind of problems.
Now, breathing is so important, and it is the basis of us being here, walking and talking and everything. And I know it is so easy to come into problems with a cold, a cough, allergy, hay fever, congestion.
What you are talking about,
Yes.
these small problems, these are basically due to lack of immune system.
Oh, I see.
When your immune system is low, you get affected to cold, rhinitis, sinus. Like if your immune system is low, you go to the cold weather or you drink a cold water, immediately you catch cold. You start to sneeze. Or if you eat some wrong food, you immediately get affected by that. So this is due to a low immune system. So always it is important to improve your immune system. So in Ayurveda there are very good simple home remedies which always helps you to keep up your immune system, and if your immune system is good, you can automatically take care of hay fever, sinuses, rhinitis and all these problems.
Now, it seems obvious to me, but respiratory is air,
Yeah,
and air is vata.
yeah.
Yes. So when respiratory system is not good, is it a vata imbalance in some way?
Respiratory system, if it is affected because of two main doshas, vata and kapha.
Oh, okay.
So if your immune system is down or if your digestion is not good, then your lungs get filled up with the mucus, your sinuses is filled up with the mucus, that means kapha. And because of these blockages, the proper air flow is not there. So in place of going down, the air starts to come up, like in asthma. You get the wheezing sound and the choke up. Everything gives the wrong direction of air. So whatever food we eat or do home remedies, there should be something which brings down the vata. Like the spices we should use, like asafoetida or oregano or cumin. These are the spices which will help to improve the digestion as well as bring the wrong direction of air in a downward position.
I see, I understand now. Now, when we have the air flowing in the right direction, how does it connect to our hearing? And also the throat.
Yeah, it's very interesting, Like if you see, the hearing is directly connected to the air because hearing is related to the blood circulation. And if your nerves get weak, and the weakening of the nerves are due to the air or the vata element because it degenerates the nerves. So your hearing gets affected. And you must have, when you fly, aeroplanes, you get your hearing gets affected. Because that time if you see in the flight, more air is there or vata increases at that time and your hearing get affected, you get pain, So there are simple exercise, by which you can improve the blood circulation in the ear area. Just you have to hold your nose and blow from the ear.
Blow from the ears?
Yeah. This always helps you to maintain the equilibrium of the air. And you can improve the blood circulation and the hearing and bring the vata down.
Yes, so that is the general, the vata is too high.
Yeah.
It brings air in the head. Yes. Now, very much is a difficulty men and women have when they get perhaps over 30, 35 years old, is the situation of what is tinnitus, yes.
Yeah.
Can you say something about it?
Tinnitus is the same thing, because if you see in tinnitus, there are three bones in the ear, you know, and these are related to each other. And when these bones get dry up due to the vata imbalance or the air going upwards or due to the aging process,
Okay.
then the blood circulation get affected and you start to get the ringing in noise and all those things, you know. So it's necessary to make those area oiling, you know. So the best thing what you can do, you know, sesame oil, lukewarm, you should put 2 or 3 drops in each ear when you have tinnitus problem, and that helps the oiling in the ear, and the tinnitus reduces.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to take a break. We're going to take a break and come back with our doctors for our second part.
This is Food with Life. We'll be right back.